So I have a lot of ribbons. I already have them color coordinated. I had it up by command strips. Well, at my old place I had them up by command strips, and then my new place I didn't have those small refill ones, and they only sell them, so I found so far in packages of the actual hooks, so I can't find refills for the little ones, for the little clear ones. So I've just used some leftover like residue dot stuff that I had from something else, and I've been using that, but it is not holding up on this wood. I've cleaned it and everything, and it's just not holding up. So I found these little hooks at Dollar Tree, and we're gonna see how those hold up. So I had, let me put you down here. I had all of them on these shower hooks, or rings, they're too thick for these. So I had these little thin ones, so I'm transferring those now. And I have them all sorted out, which honestly I could probably get rid of some because they're old, but I have them sorted out by color, and there's 9 of them on the rings, so I put 9 of these hooks up, and in order for them to all fit, I had to stagger them like this, and some of them touch the floor, so I had to, I guess, figure out how to, I had to double them over and loop it to make it not touch the floor, so that's what I'm gonna have to do. Ribbons from cheer in high school. Like, these I don't even need, but I figured I'd wear them because they're not outrageous or anything. I just can't get myself to get rid of them. See, they're so cute. Some of them, like, I mean, they're all capable of being worn again other than to have my name on it, but you know, there's just so many memories. Okay, some of these ribbons are hard to figure out where they are, and then I pull them, and then they pull other ones. Like, okay, that one's good. I'm gonna say that these are good. And those don't touch the floor. Sweet. And we are done. Yay! Finally got that done. I've been wanting to do that for so long. So the test is now to see how long they're gonna last, see how long they're gonna stay up. We'll see. So it's been a little bit over a week, about 10 days, and I just wanted to give an update on these and how they're doing. They've stayed up. So hopefully this will stay for the long run. Thanks for watching this video. Bye, y'all.